When you experience a water damage event, you're going to want to know that your property and contents are in trustworthy hands. Let us take the stress out of a bad situation. Whether it's a flooded bath, burst pipe, or an overflowing toilet, you can trust restoration specialists to know how to restore your property back to pre-loss conditions. You can contact us any time of the day, 365 days of the year. We'll promptly action a technician to attend to your property and start mitigating the damage. Our technicians will inform you how far away they are so you're prepared for their arrival. We have plenty of top-end equipment that is certified to New Zealand safety standards to be used for drying and cleaning. Once on site, we will gather photos, videos and information required to create a comprehensive report. We will identify all damage caused so you, your insurance and any other stakeholder can easily visualise and interpret the damages and can follow the drying progress. Our level of expertise and skills sets a high benchmark for all property restorers. Safety is important to us, so before we start any physical work, we can carry out risk assessments to identify and eliminate any hazards. You will immediately feel a bad situation has been alleviated once we have started restoring your water damaged property and can relax knowing that we have your best interests in mind. Customer satisfaction is paramount to our services, so don't forget to check out our reviews and leave us one if you decide to use our services now or in the future.